My Hero Academia has had a stellar showing so far in 2021, with the manga slowly drawing to an epic conclusion and Season 5 well underway this spring season. What's a better way to celebrate the franchise further than another movie? Following the success of Heroes Rising, My Hero Academia World Heroes Mission is the third film installment for the franchise and marks a major shift in the series story, putting Deku in the precarious position of being painted as a villain. In the run-up to its release, here's everything you need to know about it. In My Hero Academia World Heroes Mission, a mysterious terrorist group called the Humanize are introduced. They strongly believe in the Quark Singularity Doomsday Theory. This theory states that as the future generations continue to be mixed with the Quark genes, the power it holds will lead to humanity's demise. Furthermore, Humanize believes that Quarks are a disease, and so they plan to cleanse the world by exterminating anyone who has one. Humanize planted IDO trigger bombs in various countries, and these explosives are said to make Quark users lose control of their Quark, leading to mass destruction. To save and protect everyone, pro heroes from all around the world and the UA Academy heroes in training unites to thwart the efforts of the mysterious group. The teaser trailer was released on March 27, providing some key clips hinting at the movie's storyline. In this teaser, we seen an uprising of the mysterious cult Izuku Midoriya become a wanted fugitive for committing mass murder, and a united front of a new and familiar heroes battling against an unknown force. The trailer also shows 3 fan-favorite heroes who are currently training at Endeavor's agency: Izuku Midoriya, Katsuki Bakugo, and Shoto Todoroki as a team. Many fans found the revelation of Midoriya as a wanted criminal comical and wondered what the reasoning was behind Midoriya's murder spree was. Given his shonen hero status, kind-hearted nature and desire to save people, we can safely speculate that Midoriya has been falsely accused and may need to clear his name. The film looks to build upon the My Hero Academia universe by including an international team of heroes and showcasing new gears and wardrobe for the new central trio. Midoriya, Bakugo, and Todoroki's stealth suits have embroidered with WHA on their shoulders, which most likely stands for World Hero Association. With the anticipation introduction of the heroes and the villains from around the world, this looks to be MHA's most expansive film yet, branching out beyond Japan. My Hero Academia's World Heroes Mission is set to be released in Japan on August 6th. There has yet to be an announcement as to when the movie will be released worldwide, but we can assume that it will head to US theaters due to the box office success of the previous 2 films, MHA 2 Heroes and MHA Hero Rising. The official website for the movie has released the costume design for Midoriya, Bakugo, and Todoroki. Each of the black stealth suits have a unique hood to complement each other's. Midoriya's hood has the rabbit ears, a subtle reference to All Might's signature hairdo, while Bakugo's hood has the spikes to match his usual costume, and Todoroki has an oversized hood that wraps around his neck. Kenji Nagasaki will direct the new film alongside with scriptwriter Yosuke Kuroda and composer Yuki Hayashi. The official movie's Twitter page also announced that the movie will feature a new character, Rody Soul. Although not much is known about him, Rody Soul keeps his intentions hidden and secretly distrusts from heroes. Thus, it is unknown whether he will be helping Midoriya and the other heroes or will he be siding with Humanize. Rody was created by Koei Horikoshi and will be voiced by Ryo Yoshizawa, which are also voice actors from Tokyo Revengers and Gintama 2. And these were all of the things that we know about the My Hero Academia's World Heroes Mission new movie. It was all about the plot, release date and news that we all had till now. What are your thoughts about this movie? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.